HICCTV Security Group.
Welcome to HICCTV Security Group. Here in this project, in this installation, we're gonna replace old cameras, old Dahua cameras with the brand new Tiandy cameras. This camera is up to 5 to 6 years old. The image is very blurred, especially at night, and so it's better after 5 or 6 years you replace the cameras with the brand new one. In this project, we want to change it with Tiandy, 5 megapixel, built-in speaker, built-in microphone, and alarm as well. And at night, the image is full color image. So after my talking, you will see exactly the difference. Thank you very much.